channels where you can promote your video. And we'll start by showing you how to add it on a blog post. This will expose your video to web visitors that reach your blog content through search. And it is easy to do. Let's do this. Getting your video embed code. You have to start by getting the video embed code. This is a code that you can use to insert your video on a blog post page, and you can get it straight from your channel dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard first. Start on the YouTube homepage and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the YouTube Studio option in the menu. Once on the channel dashboard, click on the Videos tab on the left sidebar menu. Now locate the video that you are going to insert into the blog post and click on the options icon. Now click on Get Shareable Link. Creating a blog post to insert your video onto your site. Alright folks, now it is time to create the blog post where you'll insert your video. This not only has the benefit of expanding your reach, it also helps you create a backlink that increases the ranking and relevance of the video. For this example, we are going to create a blog post for our WordPress website. If you are using a different content management system, you might have to take slightly different steps, but the basic implementation applies. If you're using WordPress like us, follow these steps. Start on your site's dashboard and move to the Post tab on the left sidebar menu. Now click on the Add New option. This will open the post editor, where you'll compose your new blog post. This should be a blog post optimized to drive traffic to your video so people watch and convert. Okay, so we're going to start by composing the article title in the Add Title field. Make sure to add the main keyword or search term that you want to target, and an actionable phrase or hook. You can use the same title of your YouTube video here, minus the name of your business at the end.